Hey guys, how are you all? I am Aishwarya and welcome to my channel. So today we are gonna make the tutorial of this cute fabric necklace set. So you must be seeing a lot of tutorials of fabric necklace set on this YouTube and even on my channel. But this tutorial is specifically different because as you can see we are using some different putty over here. So this is quite special necklace set that I am making. So do watch the tutorial till the end to understand how I made this putty for this necklace set, and do let me know how did you like my idea, and do try to make this kind of necklace set at home, and do let me know in the comment below how was your experience while making this gorgeous necklace set. If you are new here on my channel, I have a request that I'm really trying to grow out my channel on this platform. So your one subscription will really help me a lot in growing out my family here. It costs you nothing but means a lot to me and it is helping me in growing out my channel. So do press the subscribe button and also press the bell notification so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making tutorials like this in the future. And now, without wasting time, let's get started. So to make this gorgeous necklace set, we will take a base. So I have taken a square base. You can take any other also. And with the help of B7000 glue, we will attach the fabric. I have taken red cotton fabric over here. You can take any other fabric also, but the cotton fabric works best. So I have attached this, and now we will work on the upper design. So again, with the help of B7000 glue, guys, we will add some kundans over here. So I have taken these leaf shaped kundans and we will make a small cute flower out of this. But if you want to add pearls or diamonds or pearl bead chain or diamond bead chain or glass bead chain, you can add that one too. So it's totally up to you that what do you have to do out of this. And guys, if you are watching my video for the very first time, I have a request that I have just crossed 1000 subscribers and I really need your help right now to make my channel monetize. And also if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. So now we have done the flower and we will attach the pearls for that. So just flip this base, and with the help of with the help of Laria, we will add these pearl L'Oreal. So these are asymmetrical pearls that I have added over here. So add the 5 tassels, and now we will keep this aside for drying, and we will make the choker part. So for that, I have taken this earring stud basically, and I have removed that wire part and the jump ring part, and over there I have added the glue so that that part will be soften and we can wear it comfortably. Now with the help of this 30 gauge wire, we will attach this to each other. So wrap the 30 gauge wire to the first charm, and then add this asymmetrical pearl, and then again wrap it to other one, and again wrap it. So yeah, so we have to repeat the process for all. So I'll quickly do that. So guys, I also have an Instagram page for this amazing jewelry where I share this photos and videos of these. So I'll give the link in the description below. If you haven't subscribed to my Instagram, please do subscribe, and you can also place the order for your beautiful gel jewelry over there. Now over here this has dried up, so I'll quickly add the back finishing fabric to this. So I'm taking this red color only, not the same fabric. So I have a lot of this other fabric also that you don't use a front design, so I attach this fabric over here. So now we will attach these choker parts to this pendant. So with the help of hole maker, we will make a hole over here to the both the sides to opposite to each other, and over here with the help of jump rings we will attach this. So add the jump ring to the base, and then add it to the charm, and just close the loop. If you want to add one pearl bead over here, you can also do that. You can do with the help of 30 gauge wire, and to the other end add this necklace dori. So again, with the help of jump ring, we will add the necklace dori quickly, and I will repeat the procedures the other side also. So our necklace is ready. Now for the cute earrings, so I have taken the same base, guys, and now to the front side I will add this asymmetrical pearl over here, and we will enhance its looks by these cute little kundans. And again I say, if you don't want to add the pearl over here, you can add the kundans or whatever you want to. So I'll quickly add these cute kundans that you want. And yeah, guys, please subscribe to my channel. It really takes a lot to make these videos. Then over here to the front side we will add this earring stud, and that's it. With these cute earrings are too ready. So I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If so, do hit the like button. If you are new here on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making tutorials like this in the future. See you soon on the next video. Till then, this is Aishwarya signing off.